Have you ever said yes in English, but you had no idea what you just agreed to? That happened to Yuki. A classmate spoke to her fast, really fast, and Yuki didn't understand anything. She had two choices: pretend or ask. She said, okay, but she didn't even know what she said yes to. Here's what she should have said. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Or, could you repeat that? Or even, what does that mean? Saying, I don't understand is not rude. It's not stupid. It's brave. Next time someone speaks too fast, use one of these phrases. Follow Confident English Made Easy with Toya. We practice and learn without fear together.